Sexual harassment law in India states that employers should be sensitizing and conducting awareness programs for all employees on regular intervals. So, how do you define regular intervals? Is it 6-month training or annual training or once in 2 years? What really works? Based on my interaction with 100+ organizations across India, on an average, organizations prefer to do an annual training. And here are my top 5 tips on how to conduct effective training for your employees. Number 1, start with induction training. At the time of onboarding, sensitize all your employees, contractors and support staff. Do the training for support staff in the vernacular language or for blue-collar employees in the local language that they understand. Number 2, annual trainings really works, and try to be very creative and innovative. Try out gamified e-learning modules, try out theta-based workshops, role plays that can be done by your own employees, case scenario-based discussions. Get the conversation going. That is what is important. Number 3, have ongoing discussions in the form of small group discussions. Get women employees together and have them talk about the topic. Get your leaders to address the employees' concerns on what is the right behavior, right forms. Discussions really help and makes people open up and share their concerns and raise queries. And when leaders do drive these discussions, it really empowers employees, gives them the trust to open up and speak up. Have communications and posters. That is your number 4 tip. Creative posters that can be sent out on emails, on your desktop wallpapers or on LCD displays. That is a lively communication that will stay on people's mind. Do this on a periodic basis, monthly or once every quarter for sure. Lastly, try and conduct even small quizzes using Google Forms or surveys. That will also help check your compliance and the knowledge check for employees. Finally, the thumb rule for your training program lies with when all your employees can answer the 3 key questions. Number 1, do all your employees know what is sexual harassment? Number 2, do they know where to report or whom to approach when faced with a situation? Number 4, are your employees empowered to speak up and confront the harasser when an instance happens? Are your witnesses just bystanders or are they allies who can support the victims? That is the success of your training program. Best wishes to create an effective training program and create a workplace that is safe and harmonious. Start with having conversations about sexual harassment. It's no longer a taboo topic. It is very important for organizations and employees to know about this. I'm Viji Hari. I specialize in preventing sexual harassment. Reach out to me for any queries. Thank you.